how to add logo in Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, to show you how you will be able to add a logo, it's very easy and fairly simple. First, create a placeholder or a location like this where you want your logo to be placed in. And we could simply put it wherever you want, specifically where our logo will typically be. After that, click on the fill option. You will see here that this is the typical fill option where you could change the color. But what we're going to click on is this image or choose image option over here, which you could then select the image that you want to have as your logo, which will then update or show up in a bit, as you can see. So simply position it wherever you want, and if there are other logos on your website, simply select the specific section, click on fill, and then simply select the images over here or the image option that you want, and then you will be able to change that to the option that you need. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.